Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new to this channel, please do not forget to hit that red subscribe button, and if you are a returning subby, you know I appreciate you. Also, do not forget to hit the bell, you guys, so you can be notified on each video that I upload. I try to upload at least once a week, so you do not want to miss out. This video is going to be quite different than any others that I have recorded, you guys, because I know that often a lot of people come on YouTube and they share some of the affordable items, some of the drugstore items that you guys can pick up. I want to share with you guys today some of the most expensive items, makeup items that I have bought. And I just want to tell you, just to give you just a short review on them and my thoughts on them and what did I think about them. Guys, I am not here to brag or show off. Really, I'm here to tell you guys that I need help. I need some serious help, okay? Help me. Help me. No, I'm just kidding, but no, not really. So, if you are interested in knowing some of the most expensive makeup items, you guys, that I have purchased, keep watching. Okay, so for those of you guys out there, some of these items may not be that expensive to you, but they're probably the most expensive right now that I have purchased. Alright, so the first makeup item is this Smashbox brush, you guys, that I got from Macy's. This particular brush costs $38, and this is particular just for Macy's. Okay. This is a foundation brush, and I picked it up because I noticed that Makeup Shayla uses these brushes, so I wanted to pick it up, and I love this brush, you guys. I use it all the time to apply my foundation. So yeah, I think this brush is worth the price. So yeah, this is $38 just for one brush. The next item that I'm going to talk about, you guys, is the YSL lipstick that I recently purchased, you guys, and this lipstick for just one tube is $39, okay? And I don't even really love it. I don't even really love it. I love the color, but I don't love the texture. I'm more of a matte type of girl. I mean, of course, today I have a glossy red lip on, but typically I wear matte lipsticks, and this particular foundation is okay. I kind of regret buying it, honestly, because I don't wear it as often, but hey, I figured, you know, you want to splurge a little bit, so yeah. This is one of the most expensive lipsticks I've ever bought. The next item, you guys, is a primer. It is the Becca Ever Matte Poreless Primer Perfector, you guys. And this primer, as you guys can see, I wear out. I absolutely love this primer, you guys. I absolutely love it. And like I said, I'm almost done with this particular one, but I have a backup. I'm definitely going to keep buying this. It really helps to mattify my skin, and I just love it. I use it to prime my eyebrows. I use it to prime the oily parts of my face, and it works great, you guys. So this particular primer, which costs $38, you guys, this particular primer for $38 is worth it. Alright, so the next item I'm going to talk about, you guys, is the Cover FX Power Play Concealer and Corrector, you guys. And this particular concealer, you guys, I cannot even speak on it because I haven't worn it yet. So I can't tell you whether I love it or if I hate it, but it's one of the most expensive concealers that I have purchased. And so yeah, the price of this concealer is $30, so It's quite expensive. I haven't worn it yet because I'm waiting on some of the other concealers I'm using right now to finish before I open this one up. So yeah, can't wait though because I've heard some really good things about it. Okay, you guys, so the next item is the Becca Topaz highlighter. I absolutely love, you guys. As you can see, I have hit pan on this item. And I absolutely love this particular highlight, you guys. It's not the one I'm wearing today. It's Becca Topaz. I wear every day to work, you guys. It gives me just the right amount of highlight that it's not too much for work, but it's something that you can definitely see, and I love it because it's subtle and it's beautiful and it makes my skin look kind of like wettish. And I really wear this highlight every day to work, honestly, because it's not too much. Like, it's not overpowering like the highlight I'm wearing today. So yeah, this Becca Topaz. I don't have another one of these, but I do have the Becca Chocolate Geode, I think. And once this is completely finished, I'm going to go ahead and pop open that Chocolate Geode and wear that on a regular basis. So this will be something that after that's finished, of course, I will repurchase. Price for the Becca highlight, you guys, is $38. Okay, so the next item, you guys, is the Urban Decay All Nighter. Now this matte makeup setting spray, you guys, is one of my holy grails. I have backups of this particular item because I think it works so well, you guys. It keeps my makeup lasting like all day, and I just love it. I don't know why. And at one point I was always finding it on sale, so I was always like purchasing backups of it. So I have like at least 3 other bottles of this, you know. And the price for this is $32 for one. So this is quite expensive for a setting spray, but again, like I said before, when I was picking it up, I was picking it up on sales, so I didn't completely pay the full price, but overall this is an expensive, to me, setting spray. Alright, so the next item I have, you guys, is the Marc Jacobs Black Eyeliner. And this sucker right here, you guys, is so good. It's absolutely amazing. I think I had it, I picked it up, like it was either a birthday gift a couple of years ago or whatever, and I loved it so much I decided to go ahead and pick up the full size. And this particular eyeliner is $25. So yeah, this is quite expensive for an eyeliner, but it works so well. It's so creamy underneath the eyes, and I just love it. I really do. And I would repurchase it, but I will only repurchase it if there's a sale. But I haven't even finished this yet, so. And I don't wear eyeliner like every day, so there's no need to rush to get another one. Alright, so the next item that I have that is super expensive, I don't even know what to call this. I don't know if this is considered a concealer or a foundation, but it's the Thecocoaalmondjoy Sensual Skin Enhancer, and it's in the color SX15, and I barely use this, you guys. I barely use this item, honestly. I think it's because I don't know how to use it. So the color that I got is a little bit closer to, I guess, like a foundation, but since I have oily skin, I try not to wear it because it sort of like has like a creamy, dewy type of finish. I don't know. So I feel like it slides around a bit, and so I don't wear it very often, and I really want to find more uses because this costs $48, you guys. It costs $48. It lasts a very, very long time because I've had this, and I hate to say it, but I've had it for over 2 years, and I mean, I barely put a dent in it, but again, will I repurchase something like this? Probably not, because I don't use it enough. I don't see the value in it yet, so I'm still working on it. The next item I'm going to talk about is the NARS All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation, and this is one of the most expensive foundations that I have ever purchased. It costs $49. Some of my other foundations cost around the same. Actually no, this was one of the most expensive foundations I've ever purchased. But do I regret it? Yes, I do regret it. I don't wear it very often. I don't think I even have the right shade in this. I think the shade that I have is medium dark 5 New Guinea, and I don't wear it often. I don't know why. I think it's just too runny for me, too luminous, and typically my skin is oily. Well, I have combination oily skin, but and I kind of shy away from this, so I haven't worn it very often. I want to wear it more, but I just haven't. So do I regret purchasing it? Yeah, I do regret purchasing this because I don't wear it often enough. I've tried mixing it with other foundations, and it's okay. You know, maybe that's what I'll do. I'll try to mix it some more with some other foundations. But yeah, this is one of the most expensive foundations that I've ever purchased. So do I have an expensive eyeshadow palette? Not really. I think the most expensive palette I have ever purchased is the Anastasia of Beverly Hills palettes. I have 2 of them. I have the Modern Renaissance, and then I have the Prism, which I love the Prism, you guys. Look at these colors. I love the Prism. I don't love the Modern Renaissance as much, but the Prism is my jam. It costs $42, so it's not the most expensive one that I'm about to own, because I'm about to purchase, you guys, with the Sephora sale coming up, I'm about to purchase one of those Huda Beauty palettes. Okay, I'm not going to tell you which one, but if you know anything about makeup, which you probably do because you're watching this video, the Huda Beauty palettes, the eyeshadow palettes, are $65. So that would be the most expensive eyeshadow palette that I would ever own, you guys. Okay, so those are the most expensive makeup items that I own, you guys. I really love most of the items that I have picked up. Most of the items that I pick up, I try to pick it up with a sale. I'm not just gonna go balling out and paying those prices, you know. So yeah, if you have any questions about what I shared today in this video, please leave them down below. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video. Alright, you guys, take care.